Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing well, and I am doing okay myself. Actually, we are back in lockdown here in the United Kingdom. Yes, we are on the second wave of this pandemic, so naturally we are back onto lockdown, which is sad, but at the same time it's very necessary. Anyway, I hope you are doing very well wherever you are, and I hope you keep safe always. And yes, special hello to all my subscribers. Thank you for coming back for another video. And if you're new here, hello, my name's Anne. Welcome to my channel. I hope you'll consider staying and sticking. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit like and share. I will appreciate it so much. And without further ado, in today's video, I will be reviewing a hair dryer and volumizer. My hair is still wet as of the minute. I left it like that so I can show you how good this hair tool is. And before I got this one, for years I've been using just a regular hair dryer and as a hair straightening tool. But it's taking a toll on my hair. My hair is getting, now that I'm older, my hair is getting more thinner, and it can easily break. So it's not as good as when I was younger. So because of that, my main problem is that my hair, my hair is very thin. Once I straighten it, it's really becoming like flat. And even if I like my hair to be straightened, I still wanted to have some volume left onto it. So that was my dilemma before. So I've come across this tool from Amazon. I thought, okay, I'll have sorry, my throat is getting a bit dry. So I was saying, I come across this hair tool from Amazon. It is rated quite highly, so I thought I'll just have a go. And yeah, so I have this tool for maybe 2 weeks now, and each time I use it, I'm really impressed by it. It cuts my hair drying time to half, at least half, or maybe shorter, and it leaves me with a volumized straightened hair. It's not really like straight like when you do use this hair straightening tool, but it gives you volume and it straightens the ends, and it straightens your hair, as I've said. So without further ado, let me show you this. So this is the JOMARTO hair dryer and volumizer. It dries and gives you volume at the same time. It is using ionic technology. Negative ions saturate the airflow to reduce the size of water droplets for faster drying. This helps condition smooth and makes hair shinier while reducing frizz and static. The claim here is actually true, guys. I actually believe in that. It is less time, less damage, dries and volumizes in one step for less heat related damage and beautiful full-bodied results. That's true. The ceramic coating protects hair from overstyling with even heat distribution that penetrates hair quickly from the inside out for less damage and enhanced shine. So yeah, I think I got this from Amazon for 19, I can't remember, less than 50 pounds anyway. I was gonna buy the Revlon one, but it's gonna cost me so much. I think it was 60-70 quid, so it was too expensive for me. So I was browsing for other options, and that's why I come across this one. And yeah, I'm really happy with this, and it's really good. It shortened the time I dries my hair, and it gives me a volumized hair, straightened and volumized hair at the same time. Again, it's when I say straighten, it's not the same straight as you would use a hair straightener, but it straightens. This one still gives you a straightened but volumized hair. It's not going to give you a flat hair. So that was my problem before. So my hair it's still wet. So I will show you how to use this one and how quickly it is. So in a minute. So stay tuned, guys, and so this is how it is. I already used it. I just put it back on the box so I can show it to you how it comes when it arrives on your doorstep. So you have some bits and bobs in there, and yeah, this is how it is. So this, sorry guys, I already have hair in there. So yeah, this is very handy. You have a very good grip. I chose black and pink color, so it's very cute. I'm going to show you how I use this one and how I'll time it as well. So we'll see exactly how quick this one dries and volumizes my hair. So the cord is quite long, just enough. So it's not very long, but it is substantial. And so before we start, you have your high, high, middle, and low. And for your switch on and off, you just have to use this one. You have your on off, and you can just quickly choose low, middle, or high depending on how hot you want it to be. So we're gonna start it and we're gonna time it. Have my timer on. This side, it guys, it leaves me very shiny and straightened hair, but at the same time it's not flat. And yeah, so compared to this one, this is still wet, haven't done it. So I did this side for less than 3 minutes. So it's really quick. It's right here very quickly. And so I'm just gonna use restart the timer, and then I'll do the rest of this part of my hair. So it's still very wet. Okay, and start again. So that's it, guys. So So that's it, guys. I did my whole hair for less than 5 minutes, which is really good. It is very efficient and really works. As you have seen, this gives me I still have a very volumized but straightened hair. It's not flat, and yeah, this is very handy. So since I got this tool, I wasn't using anymore my hair dryer and my straightener. So I was just using this one tool to do the drying and the straightening of my hair, which is really handy because it cuts the hair drying and my hair styling time in so much less time. I am very glad that I took the plunge and bought this one. So yeah, this is really good. I highly rate this one, between 0 to 5. 5 as the highest. I would rate this as 5, but hopefully this will last me a long time at the same time. Yeah, but that's it, guys. That's my quick review of the JOMARTO hair dryer and volumizer, and it is not very expensive as well compared to the other brands. Let me have a quick look. Yes, guys, this is the one that I purchased, and it cost me $25.99. Well priced, and it was highly, that's why it was highly rated, 5 stars in Amazon. So yeah, if you share the same problem with me, if your hair is thinning out, and but you still wanted yours, you wanted to dry it quite fast and quick, and but leaving your hair not flat, still giving your hair a volume. It left me a very volumized, straightened, and shiny hair. If you are thinking of purchasing this one, I will leave the link on down below. And yes, thank you for watching. Stay safe, everybody. And I hope if you like this video, if you find this helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit like and share it to your friends. And yes, please, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload next. Thank you. Bye.